It's time to get to know each other better. And what I'd like to do now is invite you to actually introduce yourself. And the way you can do that is using the Udemy questions and answers section. If you look at the Udemy navigation, you will find that there is a tab that's labeled Q&A. That section will enable you to ask questions, which I will respond for you. I am your instructor, and I'll be more than glad to answer your questions. But it also gives you an opportunity to let other people know about you. So I'd like to invite you to actually introduce yourself. And the way you can do that is share a little bit about yourself. I'd like you to share what country are you connecting from. This is a global community. There are people from all over the world, and I want to know exactly where you're connecting from. Each one of us has our own unique talents, our own unique gifts. I'd like to get to know you better. So this is a great opportunity for you to introduce yourself. Also, let me know why you are taking this course. What do you want to achieve with NFT technology? What do you want to do with NFTs? Please let me know in that section so that I can get to know you, but also so that other people can get to know you. And for all you know, you might meet your next partner to be able to create some collaborative work, maybe some joint ventures with other people from all over the world that are also creating NFTs. Great opportunity for you to get to know other people. My objective with this course is to create a global community of NFT creators from all over the world. I'm a songwriter. I love the concept of being able to create NFTs with my art. Then again, I'm also a songwriter that actually collaborates with other songwriters. I've co-written songs before. Sometimes the best pieces have been joint artistic efforts. My goal is to actually open you up to other people out there that are also creating NFTs. And through this opportunity, I'd like you to take the chance to be able to connect with them, and hopefully this course will make things even better for you. While I'm here, I also want to let you know that there's a lot of different ways that I can actually help you and you can get in touch with me. One of them is through that Udemy questions and answers system. You can ask your questions and I will respond to you publicly. However, if you want to reach to me directly, there's also the messaging tool, which will let you communicate with me privately. So these are different ways that you can actually communicate with me, and I highly encourage you to take advantage of them because I am your instructor and my objective is to deliver you the greatest value, and I am committed to your success.